Ohayo gozaimasu! Good morning, guys. So, yeah, today is going to be an errand day. I'm heading out to buy something for the house, and then, as you can see, I'm pretty much excited because I get to wear short sleeves. Short sleeves already. So, winter is officially over. Yes. So yeah, I'm excited to wear short sleeves again because it's not really fun wearing jackets most of the time. It's so heavy to the body. It makes my body little bit it makes my body really feeling very achy. So I'm so happy that I get to wear short sleeves again. So this is my outfit of the day. I'm just wearing a simple shirt because it's already springtime and I'm so happy. So I'm just wearing my Gap t-shirt and a pair of jeans and Converse and my Best Buddy bag. So yeah, this is just what I'm wearing. Bye! See you! So I'm here at the station now and my train arrives at, what's that? 11:11. So right now it's still 10:55. So I still have 10 minutes to wait for the train. So still waiting for the train because we missed the first one. Yeah. It's a pretty bright sunny day today. I like the weather. It's so chilly, but not so chilly. I don't know. So train has arrived and let's look at the view outside, which is so pretty because it's already springtime. Sitting at the priority seat, and it says that you could only sit at older people, or if you're pregnant, or if you're disabled. So I don't know which category I will be belong, but I just want to sit down. It's freaking crazy, right? I just arrived at Sakae. Look what's behind me. Donut. This is our exit, number 12. And this is gonna be the stairs. Oh my god, this is scary. Hop to hop. Oh my god, it's so scary. We're almost there. Gambate! Gambate! Gosh! Now it's daylight! Yay! We're outside Sakae. This is how Sakae looks like. Welcome to Sakae!
Ferris wheel in the middle of the city.
Sakae. There is a Ferris wheel. It's not a Ferris wheel for I think it's and then there's a fountain going there. City tour, fountain, here I come. Here I come, yay! Funny! Woo. What's with there? Thank you! Going to the fountain! what? Look what I found. Louis Vuitton. Oh my god, that box is nothing. Can we go inside the Louis Vuitton? Louis Vuitton? There's that. What's happening? I don't know what's happening, but I think they are having a what is that a contest or something? I don't know. Yeah. What is happening? Oh, I don't know what is happening, but yeah, that's all it. Everybody is having a dance and a lip sync. We're trying to find food, but I don't know where because each floor are clothings. I don't know if there is a restaurant on this building, but I don't know. This section, this floor has bags on it. So we'll try to go another floor. But I think I saw Uniqlo. There's no food, I guess. Yeah. Uniqlo. So yeah, there's no food. I'm not familiar with this building, so I guess we are at Daiso. They have Daiso here. There's still another floor. Are we still going to another floor again?
Yeah, it's about books.
I think there is. So I guess we're finally at the restaurant level of the building. Yeah. There's food here. Let's see. Foodie. This store. Spaghetti. There's curry. So I don't know what are we gonna eat. I know what are they having here. Let's still try to find another. Oh, this is interesting. There. Yeah, this is interesting. Yeah, funny. Ukulele. I'm trying to learn how to play the ukulele. So yeah. How much? Oh my god, that is so freaking expensive for a ukulele. What's the cheapest? Is there a cheaper one? Oh my god, that is. These are pretty ukulele, and there are stars there and there and there. Look what I found! See? Oh my god, this is so cute. Goes together with my shirt. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Ada, you like this? I don't know if they sell this because they just put it in here, but it's so pretty. Oh my god. This is interesting. We're gonna buy this. We're gonna buy it. So finally found a restaurant. So I'm just gonna be having coffee because I feel like that I'm feeling already tired. So we're having, both of us are having Napolitan, yeah, I think, and it smells good. So this is the pretty small table. Oh, let's eat now! I'm eating my delicious Napolitan. Let's try. How does it taste? Does it taste good? Yeah, Italian. Wow, that's a tasty sandwich. What's that called? Egg.
Egg, tuna, and tomato.
So I'm gonna be. I want Parmesan cheese on mine. No protein. Generous amount. Yeah. What is happening? Why are we walking on the roadside? Sinulog Aru! Yay! Everybody is walking on the streets. I don't know why the streets are closed. Enter me. Sinulog ka. Why streets are closed? What is happening? See that? I know. Streets are too closed. Maybe there's some kind of a. Oh, we are at. What? We're at. Matsusakaya ne. Yeah, Matsusakaya. Oh, Matsusakaya.
Matsusakaya.
Yeah. Matsusakaya. There is Chutomate. There is Zara over there. Because we are at Sakaya. I think these streets are. And then the next building is Gucci. And there's Ralph Lauren over there. Yeah. I don't know what's happening. There are a lot of people. I don't know what's happening. What exactly? Oh my god, there's a shoot! What's that? Oh my god, what's this? Oh. What is happening? What is happening? I think there's a shoot. Oh my god, I recognize that guy. The one in... There are... I think we'll be featured in the TV. This is exciting. Yeah.
Well, that's why.
I think that person, I think that what I saw him on TV. That guy that was wearing a mint blouse.
Yeah, on an anime show.
But I forgot. I usually don't know. I usually don't know their names, but yeah, that guy. Oh yeah. Oh, they went to Old Navy, and there is Adidas and Old Navy.
Old Navy.
Can we go inside?
Old Navy.
Old Navy.
Yeah, of course.
And far there is Parco, where you can find a lot of beauty stuff that is going on. Maybe Matsusakaya, where you can find branded cosmetics, makeup, and
Adidas.
etc. We were inside Old Navy now.
Walkers.
Oh my god, that is so freaking yellow dress. So bright for spring. I think, yeah, that's so pretty everywhere. Yeah, it's fine. Old Navy. See you there. One So I'm out of Old Navy now, so I have my Old Navy. Yeah, I'm out of Old Navy. Bye bye. Tabo sa banay, oh, tabo sa kulon. Tabo sa kulon. Uy, napo day tabo sa Japan, no? Yeah. This is my first time having something like this here. Usually there's no people, like it's usually like a ghost town. Ne, approve, disapprove.
So this ne.
Yeah. People. Oh my god. That's a purse, right? Coin purse. Oh my god. And there's your finger coin purse. It's silly.
Yes, for fingering.
Oh. Frames, 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 frames. What does that mean?
Gap.
End of the store.
Gap.
There's Gap. Yeah, but I'm not going inside Gap. I'm so over Gap. We're over Gap. And there is H&M. Let's go inside Parco.
Huh?
Parco.
Parco? Yeah, I thought you were going to do a Levi's.
Huh?
いかがですか？お取りしますよ。少し右ですよ。少し右ですよ。はい。
Yeah, inside Parco. This is where is that Ito house? Oh my god.
No, here.
Not here, I think. I don't know. I think these are all shoes. Yeah, I'm at Ito house. This is Ito house. Finish. I got my Ito house. Ito house. It's already afternoon. 3 o'clock. Time to go home now. Goodbye, Sakai.
Hey, ang galang easier.
Yeah, I wanna go to the toilet. Time to buy some tickets now. Buy ticket. Bye. It's time to. Where is everybody? Where's everybody? This is 3 floors. Train is here. Now it's time to buy pan. Wow. Kato ako sweet. Katong ay kani ako I like this. This one. That one. Muffin choco.
Muffin choco.
Yeah.
Sila.
2, please. I want to move it. Yes. And then what's yours?
Or na?
Yes.
So,
That's all, folks. Meep meep.
what's muffin?
Do not enter the dragon. Oh, a lot of fun. Fun everywhere. Oh, that is green.
Sarami.
There, empanada, something looking. What's that? Sushiro. Wow. Looks delicious. Take it now because we're going home and our train will be what time? Where is that? I don't know. 3:35. Yeah, 3:35. Get your ticket. Lemon tea, Korean, my favorite lemon tea. Korean. Let's eat now. and muffin. Let's go. Color. cái lắm mẹ. I like this house. Road trip. Date mo ah. Bata pa mo.
Puro mo ito sa babae.
Babae.
Yan na, kasi tumboy mo sa...
Oh, chip. Pagod lang. Mura man ito lagi doon sa road trip. Nice house. Wow, this one is nice. Back at home at last, and it's 5. What's that? It's already 5 in the afternoon, and I am pretty tired. Yes, but it was fun. So I will just put away what I bought. Yeah. So I'll see you later. So I'm just cleaning my layers right now. I'm just using a, what's this called? A dish washing. I'm just using a dish washing soap to clean my makeup sponge because I think it has antibacterial into it, so I wanted my sponge to be very clean so that, you know, I don't want any bacteria into my face, into other people's face. So be sure to really clean your makeup sponge. And then I just let it air dry like this. I just put it on top of the tissue to let it air dry. Now our sponge is clean. So this is what I got. I went to Old Navy and Etude House. So I just got a pair of slippers from Old Navy and some goodies from Etude House. So watch out for my next haul video. So watch out for my next haul video. I will be featuring the products that I got from Etude House. So watch out for that video. My next beauty haul video coming soon. So I guess I'm gonna be saying good night now, guys. I am pretty much tired already after all the walks that we had at Sakae, at Nagoya. We walked from Sakae to Kamimai, so it was a pretty darn long walk actually, from one station to another. We just enjoyed the day because it was so pretty sunny but a little chilly. The wind is still a little chilly, so yeah, we took advantage of the very nice weather today. So yeah, I guess that's all of it. And I also need to prepare for work tomorrow, so I think I will just be saying good night now. And I hope you've enjoyed strolling around with me at Sakai today. And I also hope that you had a wonderful and nice day. So until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Oyasumi nasai. Take care, everyone.